Okay, some in the past wanted to know what my benchmark scores. I'll run Valley here. Make sure, I had a snapshot of it on my last YouTube, but I guess some of you probably wanted to actually see it run. It's excuse me, I'm shaky a little bit. Too much coffee this morning. Anyway, so need a better camera. Maybe somebody will send me a nice camera. I'll do a review on it. So where am I at here? There we are, Valley. Go ahead and run this. Get this going. All right, here we are. I'm trying to hold the phone and do all this at the same time here. Yes, I got a GTX 1080 Ti NVIDIA card, 5960X Intel processor. So you see our it'll drop down. Its minimum right now 67. I think it fluctuates between scenes. So here we are. Hold it steady. I know this is long and drug out, but just to prove a point. Some people say, well, the 6950X does 6,100 or 6,200 clocked at 4.3 or 4, something like that. How can your 5960X Haswell E chip run 7,000? Well, it does. I don't know. It's a combination of things, I guess. 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. Maybe that helps. The latency's 14, 14, 14, 34 G skill. Again, like I said, it's running at 3,200 megahertz. My cache frequency is 4 gigahertz. Again, my processor running at 4.5 gigahertz. I think I may have showed some of you all the settings I had in the BIOS on my setup of my ASUS X99 platform, the Rampage V Edition 10, and most everybody seems like they want to get the on boards and put the 6950X on there. That's good, but they're just still up there in price. Maybe I'll find one later on, or if somebody wants to send me one, I'll definitely put it in and do the comparison. I think it's the speed on gaming, as well as these like Valley and Heaven benchmarking. It seems to do, I don't know. It seems to, everything's snappier from what I'm gathering from what people say. I guess the gigahertz speed is a big factor on frame rates, but as far as rendering and stuff like that, well, that's a whole other issue. It seems like extra 4 cores really helps out. Like mine runs on Cinebench about 1805 seems like to be the average at my settings. Whereas the you get an extra 200 points, a little more than 200 points with 4 extra cores on the 6950X, which it's understandable with 4 more cores. And here it is. There it is. 7,641 is the score. Minimum frames 46.6, maximum frames per second 293.1. It's average frames per second at 182.6. That's Valley benchmark 1.0. Okay, and then my ultra settings, and my monitor is only a 1920 by 1080. I can't do anything else besides that anyway. But I like to see what it does on a better frame, better refresh rate. monitor, it'd be pretty good. Like see one with a, see what it would do with 120, 144 up, or 240 would be good. I think that's what I'm gonna do. My next deal is get a monitor of about 240 hertz on the refresh rate. Okay, there you have it. And so there it is. And my temperatures are about 53 on the GPU. All right. I got it. You can probably hear a little air. I'm running there, but so there we have it. Because I've got my I've got it set up to, as soon as it hits 50 degrees Celsius, to ramp up, turbo up on my GPU fan. So you know, you can set that setting, and oh well, I forgot what the name of it was. I will tell you. Let me get it out of here. Yeah, my afterburner. There you are. I might say it. Yeah, my afterburner. I just got it down there. Okay, folks. There you go. Thought I'd show that to you all. See what you think. And thanks again, you YouTubers.